lovely friends, welcome to Creative Art. I am Nilima, bringing you the best art tutorials on YouTube. So if you're an art lover, do consider subscribing this channel because today I'm going to take you to India's most popular art store, which is ItsyBitsy. It's also a paradise for all art lovers. So come shop with me. Hey friends, I'm at ItsyBitsy store today and I'm going to show you what you need to shop to make a beautiful decoupage art yourself, and especially when everything is on off from 50% to 30%, all India wide store as well as on online stores. Here we have got all the beautiful newly launched filament decoupage paper from ItsyBitsy, and all of them are on 30% off. Some of the decoupage napkins which are on 50% off, so you can buy them just for ₹20 each. I absolutely love these beautiful floral prints they have got here. Beautiful animal prints will add the perfect amount of nature to your homes, and these are absolutely perfect for wall decors and plate decors. Wow, look at this beautiful arrangement of all the chalk paints and colors they have got for the decoupage art. And here we have all of them on 30% discount. There's so many beautiful colors you can buy, each and every pastel color, chalk color, every shade they have got is so beautiful and will perfectly go with the decoupage napkins. Here we have Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue, the glossy one, and the matte one, which is on buy one get one free offer. Here we have got all the paper mesh, which is on 30% discount. They have so many different varieties. Let's start shopping. This is how beautiful prints they got. I absolutely love the quality of each and every filament paper, from Buddha, Radha Krishna to Lakshmi, Saraswati, some Mughal designs, Ma Durga, Kerala mural prints to the Madhubani prints. They have got everything right here. What we have got here. This is one of the most amazing and beautiful decoupage napkins I have ever seen. Such an exotic print of nature with birds, flowers and tiger. Here we have got the decoupage glue, the decoupage varnish, clear resin, and my favorite crackling medium. You know how much I love to use this medium on my decoupage art. It brings such beautiful effect. And this is the two-step crackling medium. Beautiful chalk paints. These are not only useful for decoupage and home decors, but friends, you can also use them on furnitures. You definitely need to buy a white chalk paint for the base, so don't forget this one. Decore varnish gloss, which is my favorite. And next, here we have the Decoupage Premium Magic Glue to apply decoupage napkin on our base. And here friends, we have got the amazing collection of coasters and all different designs of bases. You can also get this kind of beautiful star coaster. You can use them in different things. The oval ones, I'm gonna have this oval one. It's very rare to find. This is for the kitchen. Round MDF code. And friends, everything here is on 50% off. So you can buy as much as you can. Next here we have some metal charms, and one of the most important things we have got here is the multi-purpose hanger, which can be used to hang your frames, your paintings, or the best thing is to hang a plate wall decor on wall. This safely holds it and it's very easy to use and hang. Here friends, we have got the wide range of all different types of wooden alterables. There's so many different shapes and size of boxes available, bases, wooden frames, wooden trays, a wall box, and look at this. This can be used to make your family nameplate and also hang your photographs. And look at all these paper mesh we have got. They have got each and every single letter, which can be decorated using chalk paint, different handmade flowers, or you can simply do the decoupage on them to decorate your walls. We have also got the paper mesh boxes, triangular boxes, and look what we have got here, a cute water can. And this can be used in our daily life also. Look how cute it is. Friends, I have got everything what I need to make my decoupage art. So let's quickly check out and start the decoupage art. Now friends, I'm going to show you what I have bought from the store. I have bought these amazing beautiful prints of decoupage napkins. There were so many beautiful floral prints. These are my old collection which I did buy earlier. And these are my new collection, the lavender print, then this one, this is also a lavender print, and these two to cover a huge box, and these beautiful floral prints. They have so good quality and I just love the pretty color it have. Next I have got these beautiful animal prints. They go perfectly on wall or any kind of decor, and it's the perfect amount of nature that you can add to your interiors. So I love this parrot, bird, flamingo, chameleon, again a bird, and butterflies. Definitely you need to have butterflies. And this is a very cute watercolor painting. Next, with this, I have also got some cartoon prints. These are very famous for kids. A beautiful exotic print of jungle where there are plants, flowers, bird, and beautiful tiger. So I'm definitely going to use this in my future video. Next, to place the decoupage on the base, I have bought Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue with the Decore varnish. Both are gloss version, and gloss version is my favorite. Many of you may like matte. For preparing the base, I have bought chalk paint because chalk paint can be used on different type of surfaces from tin, plywood, glass to MDF. So one color you always need to buy is a white color for priming and preparing your base, and the next colors should be matching to your decoupage napkin. The base color, which will be French rose for this napkin if I want to do some blending part to the edges of the napkin. And other than these, I have also bought this beautiful filament decoupage paper which has 2 sheets, and these are A4 size of sheets. Its MRP is 169, but I got them on 30% off. I already have used one of these beautiful traditional designs to make a plate decor, and this is how it looks. You can also buy this print, and in my next video I'm going to use this beautiful print and show you how you can make this kind of beautiful plate decors using it. If you like to give your home an Indian traditional authentic look, this is the best thing you can buy. And next here I have are the decoupage paper. These are also of A4 size. You get 2 designs, 2 sheets. That means this pack has 4 A4 size sheets of 2 different designs. I have already made use of these 2 designs for making a tray and beautiful coasters. I'll link all these in the description box below so that you can purchase these beautiful decoupage papers and napkins. And friends, the most amazing thing is I got all these beautiful decoupage napkins and this decoupage paper on 50% off. That means this pack I got for just rupees 38, and these beautiful paper napkins whose MRP is 40, I got them for 20 rupees each, which is the least price of these beautiful decoupage napkins you can get anywhere. For base, I have got this cute little tin watering can. It does its work, it's quite handy, so I'm going to make use of it in my daily life. But before that, I would love to decorate it using some decoupage napkins. And I have also bought this plain glass plate so that I can make few more plate wall decors, and collectively I'll show you how they look. And I have also bought this wooden alternable. These are the best things you can decorate, use it in your daily life as a decorative but useful product. And I bought this for 30% off. You can also buy so many different bases like plywood, different sizes and different shapes of them just for 50% off. So friends, this is all what I bought from the ItsyBitsy store this time. Oops, did you notice something? Yes, I have already decorated this watering can using this beautiful lavender print decoupage napkin. And finally, this is how glossy, finished and beautiful it looks. It is absolutely ready to water my plants, and I can also make use of it in my daily life. Now let's check out some of the decoupage creations I have made using ItsyBitsy decoupage art materials. One of my recent creations is this beautiful plate wall decor using the decoupage filament paper, and the side crackle effects you can see here is made using the amazing crackling effect from ItsyBitsy, and you also know this is my favorite crackling medium. Next, here we have this beautiful wooden box decorated using a decoupage napkin with a rose print, and look at this beautiful crackling effect we have got using the one-step crackling medium. The next one here I have is a beautiful printed napkin of birds and a birdhouse which we did on a canvas board, and now I use it as a wall decor. Here we have a box which was an empty box from my watch, and now I do use it for storing my jewelry. And this is how beautiful it looks. I absolutely love the shading and the color of napkin. And finally friends, we have this beautiful set of posters and tray which we have made using the decoupage paper. I do make use of this tray in my everyday life, so I've coated the base using a clear coat of resin, as well as on the back side of the coasters I have used a clear coat of resin, so this gives a longer life, helps me to maintain it clean and easy, and it is also stain proof. So friends, if you don't want to miss any of my recent art tutorials and videos, do consider subscribing this channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. And now friends, you can also buy the same decoupage art materials on discounted rate by visiting your nearest ItsyBitsy art store, or shop online and get 5% additional discount by using my code, which is Nilima5, Nilima5. And friends, this is a collaboration video of ItsyBitsy and Creative Art. I'm heartily thankful to ItsyBitsy for supporting me during these years. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.